So I haven't uploaded in about 3 weeks, and you guys might wonder, well, where the hell is Super N64 gone? Well, for these past days, I've actually been like coding. Like seriously, this is all code I wrote. Just look at all of this. It's an absolute beauty of a mess. So basically, I just got interested into coding ASCII games, and so I'm gonna showcase some of them here. And if y'all like want to download, you can just like ask me in the comments or something. So first off, this is Pong. It is literally just Pong, except the physics are even worse. And it's running, and I'm bad at this game. And it runs at an incredibly slow frame rate because OBS likes to be stupid. But basically, as you can see here, the physics used to be really bad, but then I actually like did improvements to it. The ball looks really janky because the way this works is that units can things can only render on the screen at like a specified number. So I basically had to the momentum was like a floating point integer. So basically I had to round all that stuff up. And yeah, this is the result of me coding a really shitty Pong game. Basically, there's scores, there's single player, there's multiplayer, even though I don't have friends to play with, and it's a keyboard, one of those two keyboard multiplayer thingies. And this is basically really boring. So what I'm gonna show you next is gonna be like way more interesting. Okay, check this out. Okay, hold on. Okay, this might seem like your normal breakout game, but as you can see, you don't die. It's a physics simulator for breakout, so basically, like things can bounce around. It doesn't necessarily follow normal breakout rules. As you can see, a lot of it is pretty broken, but like a lot of things are actually like better broken, which is why I've kept it like this. And the best part about this is that you can literally generate a breakout stage out of literally anything. So for example, I can list all the images here, as you can see. As you can see, I have a lot of images. So, as you can see, we can run the script, and then... Hold on, I forgot about how to use the options. Uh, did I do this right? Okay. Yeah! You can literally get Trollface as a breakout stage. And this just plays like a almost normal breakout game. It's got balls bouncing around and shit. It's not really breakout. But again, this is not meant to be breakout. It was just meant to be a funny, haha, broken physics simulator thingy. Which is why like you don't have like a losing mechanic and everything. I mean, if someone wants to turn this into a legitimate breakout game, it's all yours. But it can basically generate such weird things, and we can make like really weird shapes out of it. And basically, you can make like really cursed shit with it. It's amazing. And this game again has like a funny dynamic collision system, which is not that impressive in hindsight, but it's just kind of funny. It's just kind of cool to see shit bouncing around and just hitting stuff that isn't like completely static. It's amazing. And sometimes it'll just completely break out like that. Get it? It's like a game. Sometimes it'll just... So let's move on to the next thing I programmed. This is the last thing, and this is probably not that impressive compared to my other stuff, but this is like the biggest of them all. I've managed to program an entire camera system. I can move all this text around all I want. Again, like as you may notice, the FPS counter is quite. You can have overlays. You can have all that stuff. You can just move shit around. It's amazing. See, this is the top. This is the top left corner of camera, and if you move camera to the right, shit scrolls like it should. It's amazing. Basically, that's all I've been programming to you today. The camera system source code was available on GitHub, as you can see here. Basically, I've been planning to like code some games with this, so yeah, that's an update of what I've been doing these past few days. See you later.